So find the value of x which satisfy this given relation. Okay. Now see, this is of the form. This is of the form. So this, let it be some t. Okay. Na? This is a. So this is mod t. Okay. Modulus t is greater than or equal to a. Yeah. Mod t is greater than or equal to a. Let it be t. So this is a. So mod t greater than or equal to a. Okay. Fine. Now, if a is negative, okay, na? That means if it is negative, those values of x, okay, na? Then this is obviously true because this is modulus function. If it is negative, it is always positive, so it condition will be satisfied. Okay, that's why first of all we have to take whether it is negative or positive. Okay, na? So that is a less than 0, a greater than 0. Yeah, first case. So x minus 4 by x plus 2 is less than 0, less than or equal to 0. If it is less than or equal to 0, for those values of x, it is obviously this condition will be satisfied because it is in modulus, it is always positive. It is negative for those x values, but it is positive. For example, I am taking, okay, I am taking x equal to 1, okay, x equal to 1. So then this is 1 minus 4 minus 3 by 3, okay, minus 3 by 3, which is minus 1. This is minus 1. If we substitute x equal to 1, of course, x equal to 1 is not possible. I will take x equal to 0. So for 0, this is minus 4 by 2, which is minus 2. For 0, this is modulus of 2, which is 2. Okay, fine. So for negative values, if this is negative, this condition will be always satisfied. If a is negative, this condition will be satisfied always. Okay, fine. Now x minus 4 by x plus 2 less than or equal to 0. Then what are the values of x? Take line. So roots are minus 2, 4. Roots are minus 2, 4. Yeah. So plus, minus, plus. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now x minus 4 by x plus 2 is less than or equal to 0. So less than or equal to 0 means we have to consider negative values. Okay. Na? So what are the negative values? So x belongs to minus 2 comma 4. But actually here see x plus 2, obviously x should not be equal to minus 2. From this x should not be equal to 1. X should not be equal to 1 because they are in the denominator. Okay, fine. So obviously you have to use open interval. For 4 you have to use closed interval. But in this interval 1 is there. Yes or no? Minus 2, 4. In this interval 1 is there. But x should not be 1. So you have to eliminate that one. You have to eliminate that one. Is it clear? Okay. Fine. So for those values, this condition obviously true because it is negative, it is positive. So positive is always greater than negative. Okay. So this condition will be satisfied. Now second case. Now coming to the second case. So what is the second case? The first case a less than 0. Now second case a greater than 0. So that is x minus 4 by x plus 2, okay, is greater than or equal to 0. Is greater than or equal to 0. If a is greater than 0, if a greater than 0, okay, then what about the relation of this one? If a greater than 0, then t is less than or equal to minus a, or t is greater than or equal to a. Is it clear? If A is greater than 0, yesterday we discussed this modulus inequalities. Okay? If mod t greater than or equal to A, then t less than or equal to minus A, or t is greater than or equal to plus A. Okay? Fine. So we have to consider these two relations. And now that is in this. Okay, first one. So what is t? This one is t. X minus 2 by x minus 1. Okay? Na? Which is less than or equal to minus a. So less than or equal to minus a. This is our a. So that is x minus 4 by x plus 2. X minus 4 by x plus 2. Okay? Na? Fine. This is this case. Later this case. Okay? Na? Now solve this one. See here while we solving the uh, rational expressions, rational inequalities. Okay, you should not do the cross multiply. We already told that condition. Okay, so you have to take this to the left side. Then x minus 2 by x minus 1 minus x minus 4 by what is minus 1? So this is minus a. Minus a means minus of this one. Yeah. If you take left side, it is plus x plus 2 is less than or equal to 0. Okay, is it clear? See, t less than or equal to minus a. Our t is this one. Less than or equal to minus a. A is this one. Okay. So take this to left side. You will get this relation. Okay. Simplify this. So now this is x minus 2 into x plus 2 plus x minus 4 into x minus 1 whole by x minus 1 into x plus 2 less than or equal to 0. Is it okay? LCM and simplify. Now in numerator, this is x square minus 4, a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Plus, so this is x square minus 5x plus 4 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 is less than or equal to 0. Okay. And now numerator 2x square minus 4 plus 4 will be cancelled. 2x square minus 5x by x minus 1 into x plus 2. So which is less than or equal to 0. 2x square minus 5x by x minus 1 into x plus 2 is less than or equal to 0. Now in numerator take common x into 2x minus 5 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 is less than or equal to 0. Okay na? Now see, take the line, take the real line. So that is I am taking here, this is the real line. Okay, so what are the roots? So this is minus 2. So minus 2 and then 0, then 1, then this is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2.5. This is 5 by 2. And now apply the wave curve method. So plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Okay na? Apply the wave curve method. Now we want less than or equal to 0 case. That is negative. Okay na? So negative case means what we have to get. So you will get x belongs to minus 2 to 0. Minus 2 to 0. Negative. Minus 2, 0. Okay, fine. Next. union, then 1 to 5 by 2. 1 to, so 1 should not be included because x not equal to 1. So open interval 1 comma 5 by 2. Is it clear? Up to here, is it clear to everybody? Okay, na? While solving the rational inequalities, you should not cross multiply. You have to take that expression to left side and LCM and simplify, then apply the wavy curve method. Is it clear? Yeah. And now see. Okay. So this is the case of this t less than or equal to minus a. Next r, you have to take this one. Okay. Now see here, x minus 4 by x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So from this, what is the value of x? From this, what is the value of x here? So minus 2, 4. Okay. Minus 2, 4. So this is plus, minus, plus. Then what is the value of x? Here x belongs to, we want positive. Positive means, so this is minus infinity to minus 2 union 4 to infinity. 4 to infinity. Positive case. Okay. And now see, in this case, we are calculating the solution where a is positive. Where a is positive. Now, so this is positive. Now we have to find the x values which satisfy this condition. So that means which satisfy this condition. Now see, now what you have to do, you have to apply intersection of these two. You have to apply intersection of these two because you have to collect the values of x, okay, in this values of x and also in this values of x. Okay, now you apply intersection of these two, intersection of these two. So this is 2. Okay, this is 3. Now intersection of 2, 3. Intersection of 2, 3. So what you will get? So therefore x belongs to, okay, because we are calculating the values of x which satisfying this condition, those values should be in this interval only. Now what is the intersection of these two? Anybody? Intersection of these two. 2, 3. Intersection of 2 and 3. What is the intersection of 2 and 3? Intersection of 2, 3. Yeah. Pi, null set. Because see, minus infinity to minus 2. This one closed 4 to infinity, but these values are not in this interval. Okay, na? So x belongs to 5, not pi. 5. Okay, na? 5, not pi. Okay, na? So null set. So this is one case. Okay. And now next, what we have to check? This one r, this one t greater than or equal to a. B case. Yeah. Now, so t greater than or equal to a. So that is x minus 2 by x minus 1 is greater than or equal to a. A is our x minus 4 by x plus 2. X minus 4 by x plus 2. Okay. Now simplify this. X minus 2 by x minus 1 minus x minus 4 by x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Now take LCM. So the LCM is x minus 1 into x plus 2. Now this is x minus 2 into x plus 2 minus x minus 4 into x minus 1, which is greater than or equal to 0. So simplify x square minus 4, okay, minus this is x square minus 5x plus 4 by x minus 1 into x plus 2, which is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, fine. Yeah, now see, so x square will be cancelled. So minus into minus 2 plus 5x minus 4 minus 8 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, na? So take the real line, apply wave curve method. Now what are the roots? Minus 2, 1. Next, this is 8 by 5. This is 8 by 5. Okay, apply the wave curve method. So plus, minus, plus, minus. Now we have to collect the values of x where this expression is positive. So that means x belongs to so positive means 8 by 5 to infinity. Okay, so I will write from left to right. So positive means minus 2 to 1. Open interval minus 2 comma 1 union 8 by 5 comma infinity. 8 by 5 comma infinity. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to apply the intersection of again 2 and that will be 4. 2 and 4. Intersection of 2 and 4. So from 2 and 4 by applying intersection. Intersection. So x belongs to, so what are the values of x? What are the values of x? 2 and 4. You have to apply intersection. So what is the intersection of 2 and 4? These two. Intersection of these two. So give response. Nobody is responding. 4 comma infinity. Yeah. Okay na? So this is say 8 by 5. 8 by 5 means that is 1 point something. Okay na? So intersection of these two is nothing but 4 comma infinity. 4 comma infinity. Yeah. Now you have to collect the solution of. So what is our final answer? So this is for case 2. This is for case 1. This is for case 1. This is for case 1. This is for case 2. So the solution of this expression, okay na, either this or this, okay na, that is when a less than 0, and this is when a greater than 0. Okay na? So either a greater than 0 or a less than 0. So what we have to do, you have to apply the union of 1 and 5. Let it be 5. 1 and 5. We have to apply the 1 and union of 1 and 5. So the final answer is therefore x belongs to. So what is the union of these two? So union of these two is minus 2 to infinity, minus 2 to infinity, minus 1. Minus 1. So this is the answer. Minus 2 to infinity, minus 1. Okay na? See, be careful while solving this type of modulus inequalities. Okay. Is it clear to everybody? Okay, so let us do one more problem regarding to this modulus inequality. Okay. See, find the values of x where this relation is satisfied. Let us move. Now observe this problem. First observe this problem. So this is mod x plus modulus x by x minus 1. So x square can be written as mod x square also. Okay. This can be written as mod x square also. That means modulus x square by x minus 1. Because x square equal to mod x square. Okay na? Fine. And now see, observe this right side part. Observe this right side part. Now this can be written as x plus x by x minus 1. Is it clear? This right side part can be written as x plus x by x minus 1, which is x square minus x plus x, which is x square by x minus 1. Okay na? Fine. So mod x plus modulus x by x minus 1 equal to modulus x plus x by x minus 1. So look at this expression. Look at this expression. Yesterday we discussed the modulus inequality. Okay, na? Modulus equality. There are some properties regarding to this modulus inequalities. Okay. So this is of the form. So mod x plus y is equal to mod x plus mod y. Yes or no? Yeah. This is mod x plus y. X so y. Mod x plus y equal to mod x plus mod y. So mod x plus y equal to mod x plus mod y. Then what is the condition? If mod x plus y equal to, mod x plus y equal to mod x plus mod y, then what is the condition? Yesterday we told conditions. Mod x plus y equal to mod x plus mod y, then what is the condition? Similarly, mod x minus y is equal to mod x plus mod y. Yeah, xy greater than or equal to 0. Xy greater than or equal to 0. Xy is greater than or equal to 0. So that condition you have to apply. Okay, now so this relation satisfies this condition. So we have to take So therefore, what you have to take? Xy is greater than or equal to 0. Xy is greater than or equal to 0. From this, xy is greater than or equal to 0. So what xy greater than or equal to 0 means? What is x, what is y here? What is x, what is y? This is x, this is y. So x into x by x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Is it okay? X, y. Okay, fine. Now this is x square by x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Okay, fine. Now x square by x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0 means there are two conditions. One is x square by x minus 1 equal to 0, or x square by x minus 1 is greater than 0. Yes or no? Greater than or equal to 0. That means equal to 0 and strictly greater than 0. Fine. Now x square by x minus 1 equal to 0 means when it becomes 0, obviously x equal 0. X equal to 0. Or now x square by x minus 1 greater than 0. When this is greater than 0, x square is always positive. So x minus 1 must be positive. That is x minus 1 greater than 0. So x equal to 0 or x greater than 1. So x equal to 0 or x greater than 1 means x belongs to 1 comma infinity. So therefore, what is the answer? X belongs to R means you have to apply union. Okay, na? That is 0 union 1 comma infinity. Is it clear? Is it clear to everybody? Okay, good. Okay, let us solve one more problem.